All right, tell me these aren't the cutest thing you've ever seen, but do you know what they are? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these adorable egg separators. This did come in a 2-pack, so there is 2 of them. I love that these are not plastic. Can you hear that? Ding, 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 ding. They are not plastic, and I love that. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to crack an egg in here, and we're going to pour the whites out, and then we're going to pour the yellows out. That's the idea. Will it work? Find out with me. So I have my little egg thing here. I put it on a plate because I don't want to get egg everywhere. We're going to go ahead and crack the egg. Can we do this? Drop it right into there. Okay, so now you can see it's in there. See, it's in there. Now we're going to take this and we're going to pour, and only the white should be coming out. There's the gross sticky part of the white. That actually, look at that. Look at that. Just the yellow is staying inside. Pretty much got it all out. And then I put the yellow in the, let's do that again. That was really cool. All right, second egg. Here we go. Crack it on the side here. Bust it open. Oh, that's a little bit better angle for you guys too. Drop the egg in there. You can see it's not leaking out the front, which is nice, so it knows a large egg should fit in here pretty good. We're gonna move this plate out of the way. We're gonna bring this back over here, and we are gonna try this again. Ready? Take 2. Look at that. And you can like kind of swirl it around a little bit to make sure all of it comes out. And then just the yellow is in there. So you can see my first yellow egg, or yellow, and then boop, there's the other yolk. Oh my goodness. That worked so good. I didn't get stuff all over my hands. I like that you can just crack the egg right on top of it. There's my egg whites. There's my egg yellows. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. So this is made out of ceramic. I advise hand washing over dishwashing, but it's super easy to clean. Like, you can easily get your little scrubby down in there, scrub it out, clean it up, and have it ready for use for next time. It's nice and cute, so you can like leave it sitting on your counter. I would not do more than 1 large egg in it at a time. It might spill out the front here, so you can try it. I'm not going to try it. I don't want to make a mess. For me, the large egg fit perfectly, but if you have smaller eggs, you might be able to do 2 at a time. This is awesome. It's going to make separating eggs so much easier, so much less messy. Look, no sticky fingers. That's the best part. And I got eggs. Now I got to make some eggs for the dogs. We recommend this.